If you want to clear the history for just one website in Firefox without deleting everything else, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a super simple way to remove a single site from your Firefox history in just a few clicks. This is perfect if you want to clean up one specific website, remove a page you no longer need, or keep your browsing history organized without wiping out your entire browsing record. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Firefox tips and easy how-to guides. Let's jump in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu, where you can find settings, bookmarks, downloads, and history options. From here, move your mouse over history and then click Manage History, or in some versions, you may see Show All History at the bottom of the menu. Click that option to open the library window, which is where Firefox stores your browsing history in one place. Once the library window opens, look for the Search History field in the top right corner. This search box makes it easy to find exactly what you want without scrolling through a long list of websites. Type the name of the website you want to remove. You can also type part of the URL or a keyword from the page title if that helps narrow it down. As you type, Firefox will filter the results and show matching history entries related to that site. Now take a moment to review the search results carefully. Make sure you're selecting the correct website or page before deleting anything. If the site appears multiple times in your history, you may see several entries. You can remove one specific page or repeat the process for other related entries if needed. To delete the history entry, right-click on the result you want to remove, then click Delete Page. Firefox will immediately remove that item from your history. That's really all there is to it. You've now cleared a single site from Firefox history while leaving the rest of your browsing data untouched. This is a great method if you just want to tidy up one website entry without deleting your full history, cookies, or saved data. It's fast, simple, and gives you much more control over what stays and what goes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more browser tutorials, tech tips, and step-by-step guides. And if you want, I can also show you how to clear specific site data, cookies, or search history in Firefox next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.